Mastering makeup vocabulary. Apply concealer, explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup and learning about a commonly used phrase in English. Apply concealer. Whether you're new to makeup or just brushing up your English skills, this video will help you understand not just the meaning but also the context of this phrase. Let's explore together. Apply concealer might seem straightforward, but there's more to it. Applying means to put or spread something onto something else. In our case, it's a substance called concealer, which is a type of makeup. Concealer is used to cover up blemishes, dark circles, and other imperfections on the skin. So, when someone says, apply concealer, they mean to put this cosmetic product on the skin to hide certain areas. Concealer is a key element in makeup for creating a flawless look. It's usually applied after applying foundation to ensure a uniform skin tone, using a brush or fingertip, dabbing it onto the specific areas. Blended well to match the skin tone. It's important to choose the right shade of concealer. If it's too light or dark, it won't blend seamlessly with your skin. Concealers come in various forms. 1. Liquid concealer, popular for its versatility and ease of blending. 2. Cream concealer, offers more coverage, suitable for prominent blemishes. 3. Stick concealer, great for precise application, ideal for on-the-go touch-ups. While applying concealer, avoid these common mistakes. Applying too much leads to a cakey look. Wrong shade can highlight imperfections instead of hiding them. Not blending properly. Visible lines of makeup can appear. Remember, apply concealer is more than just a phrase, it's an art in makeup. With the right techniques and understanding, you can master this essential makeup skill. We hope this video has been informative and fun. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. Stay beautiful and confident.